Deputy Minister Kroner, who was visibly moved by the reception which took place at the Keetmanshoop Police roadblock, expressed gratitude to the residents for their support. The reception also saw a parade through the streets, leading to SWAPO party offers.
When the position of the challenging ministry, it's not an easy, but you must know what the President said. The President said, we are here to work and to serve the nation.
And we thank both God and the President for having chosen you. But we are praying to God and we are asking you to not to forget where you come from. Yes. It is because there were so many considerations. I think you were just 52 or so many, perhaps 60. But from amongst all these people, the President deemed it fit to put you in that very strategic position. We as party members and as Namibians always are crying out for this region to be rich with poor people. Amen. And we leave it with you and the leadership of our party to see to it that dynamics changes in the South.
Deputy Minister expressed gratitude to the trust President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah placed in her.
What I wanted to say is commitment, dedication, hard work matters in life. Respect to each and everyone, how old, how young, how poor, how rich, doesn't matter the color, the tribe, the whoever. Respect anyone. Because you must treat everyone as you want to be treated. That is what, it is my motto in life. It's not something that I pretend, and I believe I will die with that manners that I have. So I started as an activist, section secretaries, branch, district, and now even become a regional executive committee member for 2 terms. I become a central committee member. I become a leader assigned. Now I'm a deputy minister. But all these lot of positions I was not paid for, I volunteered.
Lukman Klute, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.